So we learned communicable disease. Okay, so many infectious diseases we have already learned. COVID-19, another one example of communicable disease. Okay, so we already learned. Then next is non-communicable diseases. Some diseases do not spread from one infected person to another. Such diseases are called non-communicable or non-infectious or non-contagious disease. Okay, so sometimes due to the lack of one or more nutrients in the diet, okay, some disease may cause, that is called deficiency disease. So you people, we have already learned, we need to eat the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet containing all the essential nutrients in the correct amount. Okay, that is the balanced diet. If you are not eating food properly, you would not get the nutrients, all the nutrients. Okay, such time we get some diseases. Okay, so due to the lack of one or more nutrients in the diet, we get some diseases, that is called deficiency diseases. You people, you are suffering from deficiency disease now sometimes, isn't? So here, how can we cure this disease? See, providing the deficient nutrient to the patient. Okay, which nutrient is lack? Okay, that nutrient we need to give to the patient. Then only we can cure the deficiency diseases. Sometimes you have, when you are going to the hospital, doctor suggests to take the some medicine like syrup, like Syncovite. Have you ever taken such a medicine or syrup? Okay, so that is one example of which one? One syrup. That is one example of syrup for the deficiency diseases. Okay, so providing the deficient nutrient to the patient can cure deficiency diseases. Then some other non-communicable disease may also be caused due to the presence of harmful substance. For example, factory fumes or smoke. Okay, smoke, it is coming out from the factory. It contains different types of chemicals, gases. Okay, it is not healthy for us. Okay, if you are breathing that one, we get some diseases. Okay, and sometimes smoking persons, those who are smoking, because of the smoking they get some diseases. For example, it affect their lungs, heart, liver. Drinking people, that will affect their lungs, liver, etc. Okay, so such disease are also caused due to the bad habits. Okay, this disease caused due to the bad habit like smoking, drinking, etc. Okay, so these are also another one non-communicable disease. Cancer is another one example of non-communicable disease. Okay, so these are the non-communicable disease. Now I'll explain some nutrient and deficiency and which are the deficiency disease caused lack of such nutrients. Okay, first one, vitamins. Vitamin. See, lack of vitamin A, we get night blindness. Vitamin A. Okay, lack of vitamin A, the deficiency of vitamin A, we get night blindness. Then deficiency of vitamin C, we get scurvy. And the one disease, scurvy. Okay, and deficiency of vitamin D. These are the different types of vitamins. Okay, we need to take the vitamin rich food, green leafy vegetables and fruits. Okay, so the deficiency of vitamin D, we get rickets. Next is iron. Deficiency of iron, anemia. Anemia means which one? Pure, it's very weak. Okay, sometimes maybe we feel very weak. Okay, so the hemoglobin content will be very less in the blood. Okay, that is anemia. Okay, so the deficiency of iron in the diet, we get the deficiency disease, anemia. Then deficiency of calcium. Calcium is it is very important. That is a mineral. It is very important for the growth and repair or for the bones and teeth. Okay, so deficiency of calcium, we get poor development of bones and teeth. Then deficiency of iodine, another one mineral, iodine. So deficiency of iodine, we get goiter, swelling on the neck region, throat region. Okay, that is the goiter. Okay, then deficiency of phosphorus, that is another one mineral. Okay, so bad teeth and bones. Phosphorus, it is very important for the growth for the teeth and bones. Okay, so the deficiency of phosphorus, we get bad teeth and bones. Then deficiency of fluorine, that is another one mineral. Okay, so the deficiency of fluorine, we get the tooth decay. Okay, tooth will go, we are going to the dentist and all. Okay, so the deficiency of fluorine, we get the tooth decay. So these are the different nutrients and the deficiency diseases. So let's see what all things we have studied today. So first one, we learn about the nutrients. Okay, different types of nutrients, it's required our diet. Okay, which are the different nutrients? We need bodybuilding food. Okay, proteins. Okay, bodybuilding food. Then carbohydrates, that is energy giving food. Then vitamins and minerals, that is the protective food. Then not only this one, water also should be there. Okay, we have to take plenty of water. Okay, and roughage also must be there, that also include in your diet. All these things must be there. And what is a balanced diet? A diet containing all the essential nutrients in the correct proportion, that is the balanced diet. Not only the balanced diet, we must exercise regularly. Exercise is very important for our body. Then rest and sleep, that is also, it is very important. Okay, and hygiene, for health we need to take care of our hygiene also. What is hygiene? Cleanliness of oneself and our surrounding, that is hygiene. So next what we learn? Diseases, different types of diseases. What is a disease? Disease is a condition in which our body and mind are not in a healthy condition, that is the disease. Okay, next what we learn? Communicable diseases are of two types, communicable and non-communicable diseases. Okay, so what are communicable disease? That can spread from one person to another. Okay, all that transmit from one person to, transmit means that can pass from one person to another. Okay, then the communicable diseases are caused by microbes or microorganisms. So disease causing microbes are called germs. Example, bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, these are the example of different types of germs. Okay, or microbes or germs. Then we have learned different disease and the causative organism of the different diseases and the sources, that also we have already learned. Okay, next is non-communicable how can we prevent this communicable disease? We learn different methods. Okay, so the best way is to stop germs from spreading is to keep our surroundings and ourselves clean. Okay, then we should use the disinfectant. Then our house should be airy and should get the ample sunlight. Then area should be very clean. Drinking water, we have to take pure drinking water. Vaccination. So these are the different methods to prevent the communicable diseases. Then what are non-communicable disease? Some diseases do not spread from one person to another. That is the non-communicable diseases. Okay, different types of non-communicable diseases are there. Some disease, it is due to the lack of one or more nutrients in the diet. Okay, that is the deficiency diseases. Okay, providing the deficient nutrient to the patient can cure the deficiency diseases. Then some other non-communicable disease may also be caused due to the presence of harmful substance, okay, in the surrounding. Okay, so that is another type of non-communicable diseases. Example, it affects the liver, heart diseases, liver diseases, lung diseases. Okay, so these are the different types of non-communicable diseases. Okay, then we learned the different nutrient and the deficiency diseases because of the deficiency of such nutrients. That all thing we have learned. Now we can see the new words from this lesson. So new words, which all new words we have learned from this lesson. First one, hygiene, H-Y-G-I-E-N-E, hygiene. Next is disease, D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. Third one, communicable, C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-B-L-E, communicable. Next is infectious disease, I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-U-S, infectious disease, D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. Next is transmitted, transmitted. Transmitted. What is transmitted? It is passing from one person to another. Okay, next is protozoa, Protozoa, protozoa. Next is viruses, Viruses, viruses. Next, germs, Germs, germs. Disinfectant, Disinfectant, disinfectant. Diphtheria, Diphtheria, diphtheria. Tetanus, Tetanus, tetanus. Vaccination, Vaccination, vaccination. Next is non-contagious, Non-Contagious, non-contagious. Next is deficiency disease, Deficiency, deficiency disease, Disease. Next is night blindness. Because of the deficiency of vitamin A, we get the night blindness. Okay, NIGHT, night, BLINDNESS, night blindness. Next is scurvy, SCURVY, scurvy. Next, rickets, RICKETS, rickets. Because of the deficiency of vitamin D, we get the rickets. Okay, because of the deficiency of vitamin C, we get scurvy. Anemia, ANAEMIA, anemia. Next, phosphorus, PHOSPHOROUS, phosphorus. Fluorine, FLUORINE, fluorine. These are the new words. You have to study all these new words, learn the spelling and read the textbook at least 5 times. Okay, complete all the exercise from the textbook. Then learn all the notes. Okay, answer the following, everything you have to learn. Fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, everything you have to learn. Okay, complete everything. Okay, see you in the next class. Have a great day ahead.